of course, ang atong new match will receive a 500 worth date in Passiflora Cafe.
Yes, thank you very much, Passiflora Cafe, and also
free marriage booth.
Yes.
Afterwards, a marriage booth sila dito.
Marriage booth na
and then after, mag-photo booth pa dyan sila.
Oh. Okay! So noon, makalawat na sila Passiflora Cafe nga day, marriage booth, and photo booth. Okay! Josh, for our remaining 12 minutes, ay, naapoy, 500. Wow! Ay,
5,500. So, 1,500.
1,000 na! Kita na ng sponsor, Ani.
Sir,
Kasaligan Travel and Tours, and of course, VP Saison. Wala bilang.
Wow!
Ingon ka mo, kay kami ng ito ni Joy.
Napay batch look ay mo apin kung piasa naman ko siya.
Thank you very much for tagaan itong Masibang Papa, Kasaligan Travel and Tours by Sir Saligan and Ma'am Saison. Not at 500 mo.
Dapat yung may Passiflora.
Sige, congratulations, no? Naka-matchmaking po dyan karon. Dapat dyan po makuha nga date and gifts from our kuhaan.
Now, Madam people, let me introduce your new match, Gian. Meet her in 3, 2, 1. Okay, face her. Okay, picture to now. Closer daw. Mas gusto si Ma'am Sexto na. Gusto si Ma'am Sexto na. Closer daw. Closer daw.
I'm happy. Na-share na kita ang qualities ako ang gusto. Correct.
Very good. Very good, guys. How about you, Gian? Of course, ang sabi na bati na ito karon.
I'm so happy that namita ako dito.
I'm so happy that I meet a perspective with this girl.
Yes! So we hope that your relationship will prosper.
Of course, here in Baisu MC, and of course in Agape, we celebrate all forms of love.
Yes. And your love today proves na pag ginawa sa ang kalibutan, there will always be someone who will love you.
Drama. Ayaw.
Ikaw mo, gusto ba rin mga closing line?
Okay, what naman to atong closing? And thank you so much for Roseville and Gian for being such a good sport. And thank you to thank you for Trina. Sila, of course, with the other girls as well. And all of those who answered the links, all of those who tried to approach us, daghan kayong salamat for making this possible.
Yes, thank you very much to Orchard Cheese, to everyone here, and of course to Santo Dohagyo for the confidence for being present here today. Folks, this is especially for you. Thank you very much. So, newlywed couple.
Isa mo